Hi friends, in the last session we have observed that splitting of strings, right? So in the last session we have observed that splitting of strings and we observed another thing is when string objects are immutable, then how can we change the content, right? So these two concepts we observed as part of in the last session. So today we are going to discuss about joining of strings. Okay, today we are going to discuss about joining of strings. Normally, splitting of strings means what it is doing. We can split the given string according to specified separator by using split method. Okay. So by default, space is the separator. Okay. By default, space is the separator. After splitting, return type split method is a list. Okay. Next, when string objects are immutable, then how can we change the content by using replace method? Okay, so this is the thing, this is the information we observed with respect to practical and diagrammatic representation, right? So today we are going to discuss about joining of a strings. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about joining of strings. So normally joining of strings means we can join a group of strings. Okay, we can join a group of strings list. Strings means are list or tuple with respect to the given separator, with respect to the given separator. Okay, so the syntax. Okay, first observe the syntax. Observe the syntax. Separator dot join of group of strings, group of strings. Okay, so this is the syntax, separator dot join of group of strings. So first observe the example one. First observe the example one. T is equal to, I'm taking tuple Sai Rajesh Prashant. I'm taking some names. Okay, so now here my intention will be, I'm taking group of strings with some names. So I want to add, I want to separate, I will give separator. So based on every string it is going to add the separator. Okay, now observe the output. S is equal to, I'm giving hyphen symbol dot join of T. Okay, I'm giving separator dot join of T. Okay, so now observe here print of S. Now observe the print of S. It is recommended to execute Python programs in a file, not through the Python shell or anywhere, ideally shell, because ideally or Python shell sometimes they are going to give incorrect result. It is varied from platform to platform. Okay, that's what I have explained in the problem with Python shell in the previous session, right? So make sure every time you are executing the Python programs through the Python file only, not anywhere. I mean IDE or anywhere you can, but not with the shell. Okay, shell will give the incorrect result. If you observe here, every string after that it is given the separator as a hyphen, right? So this is the way we can use join method. Join method is going to join the strings based on given separator. Okay. Now observe the same for one more example. One more example. Example 2. Example 2 I'm taking ls is equal to I'm taking one list Hyderabad, Chennai, Australia, America. Okay, I'm taking 4 names. So now I want to join these strings with a specified separator. Okay, I'm taking s is equal to I'm taking colon dot join of ls. Okay. Now observe the output. In this case, what it is going to means every string it is going to separate. Every string is going to separate with a colon. Okay. Now observe the output. Okay. So observe the output. So this is the thing we are going to get the output. So every string after separated by colon. Every string after separated by colon. Clear, right? So this is the first case with respect to joining of a strings. Okay, how to join the strings? So this is the syntax: separator dot join of group of strings. That group of strings might be a strings or list or tuple. Okay, list or tuple. Next, next concept. Next concept will be changing case of a string. Okay, changing case of a string. Case of a string. Changing case of a string. So coming to change case of string means we can change the case of string by using some methods. Okay, some methods. We can change the we can change the case of a string by using below methods. Okay, by using below methods. Now observe the points one by one clearly. First one is upper. Okay, upper function is going to convert your all characters to uppercase. It is going to convert or to convert your all characters to convert your all characters to uppercase. Okay, whether it is small or capital, it is not going to think. Everything should be it consider upper only. So if it is upper, it, it will be in upper only. If it is lower, it's going to convert into upper. Okay, so lower upper means if you are converting to upper means it's going to give error like don't think. So upper means it don't do anything. If lower means it's going to convert into upper. Okay, next the same lower means opposite to lower to convert all your characters to lowercase. Lowercase. Next point. Next point. Swap case. Okay, swap case. Swap case. Swap case is going to convert all lowercase characters to uppercase and all uppercase characters to lowercase. Okay, so here what it will do is it will convert your all lowercase characters to uppercase. Convert your all lowercase characters to uppercase characters and all uppercase characters to uppercase characters to lowercase characters. So the next point, title. Okay, title is to convert your all characters to title case. That means first character in every word should be converted to uppercase and all remaining characters should be in the lower case. Okay, so that is to convert your all characters to title case. To convert your all characters to title case. To convert your all characters to title case. First character in every word should be uppercase. Okay, first character in every word. First character in every word, it is going to convert into first character in every word is going to convert into uppercase and and all remaining characters should be in lowercase. Okay, these are the strings changing case of string we are going to consider. Okay, so the last one means capitalize. Capitalize. Capitalize means only the first character will be converted to uppercase. Okay, only the first character. First character will be converted to uppercase. Okay, only the first character will be converted to uppercase and remaining all characters converted into lowercase. And remaining all characters will be converted to lowercase. So this is the things we have to remember before going to changing case of a string. Okay, observe carefully now. Upper character means to convert all your characters to uppercase. Lowercase means to convert your all characters to lowercase. Swap case means to convert your all lowercase characters to uppercase characters and all uppercase characters to lowercase characters. Okay, this is nothing but swap case. Next, title. Title means to convert your all characters to title case. To convert your all characters to title case, first character in every word it's going to convert into uppercase and remaining all characters should be in lowercase. Next, capitalize. Only the first characters will be converted to uppercase and remaining all characters will be converted to lowercase. Right? So now observe one example. Okay, I'm taking learning Python. Learning Python is very easy. Okay, I'm taking learning Python is very easy. Okay, let me write the program directly here. So now first what I am doing, I'm converting all characters to uppercase characters. I'm converting all to uppercase. So the entire string it is going to convert into uppercase. Okay. Next s dot lower. Next print s dot swap case. S dot swap case. Next print of s dot title. S dot title. Next print of s dot capitalize s dot capitalize. Now observe here the 5 points: upper, lower, swap case, title, capitalize. Okay, these are the things with respect to this information. So if we run, so we have to observe this information whether it is working perfectly or not. Okay, so now observe the output. If you observe here, first what I am doing, converting to upper. Okay, all are converted to uppercase characters. Next lower case. Okay, in the second line everything is in lowercase characters. Okay, when compared to first one, second one all are lowercase. Swap case means so if you observe here, what is a swap case? Convert your all lowercase characters to uppercase characters and all uppercase characters to lowercase characters. The same thing is happening here or not? So first all are capital, wherever capital it found converted to small, like it is doing swap case. Okay, and title case. Okay, what is title case means first character in every word is going to convert to uppercase and remaining all characters should be in the lower case. Okay, if you observe first character first character is capital, and the last one capitalize means in complete string first is only converted to capital, right? So this is the thing we have to observe as part of changing case of a string, right? So in the next session we are going to discuss about checking starting and ending part of the strings. Okay, checking starting and ending part of the string, and to check type of characters present in the string. Okay, to check type of characters present in a given string. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. In the next session, I'm going to explain those two topics. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section, or reach out to your query with my email ID given in the description. Thank you friends.